The state's war room receives details of the COVID positive patients in Ernakulam district from ICMR on a daily basis. These details for the entire district are uploaded to the pandemic management software. The medical officers at each panchayat or division can access the relevant data on this software. According to the list received from ICMR, the panchayat medical officers contact the patients who come under their jurisdiction and create a patient card by following up on their medical condition. Along with the COVID test details and disease symptoms, certain other personal details like history of medical conditions and medicine intake would also be included in the patient card. In the current situation, about 80% of the patients can be seen to recover without any further medical assistance. There seems to be a possibility for some COVID positive patients to experience breathlessness and other such difficulties. In such situation, the patients, with the help of the telemedicine facility, can get in touch with the medical officer who will help conduct further analysis of the disease and update the medical details in the patient card. The War Room software allows for systems of alerts which can be used by specialist doctors to give a call back to the patients under home quarantine via the telemedicine system. If a COVID patient experiences breathing difficulties or a drop in the oxygen level, they can immediately request for a hospital shift by contacting the medical officer via the telemedicine system, following which the request will be transferred to the district war room promptly. The shifting details will include details of the suitable hospital, ambulance, and the current medical status of the patient. The doctors in the shifting team will look at the clinical details of the patient and approve the shift. Once the doctor approves, the capacity managers identify a suitable available bed from the district capacity dashboard. After informing the hospital authorities, the shifting team would arrange an ambulance and shift the patient to the desired location. The patient card would be received by the hospital authorities beforehand so that they can arrange for the specific treatment prior to the patient's arrival and start the procedures without delay. The further treatment, prescribed medicines, and other such details would constantly be updated in the patient card. The process of shifting patients from their homes to a health center or intensive care system is termed upshifting. If the medical team identifies that a patient shows improvement and no longer requires an ICU or ventilator, they can transfer the patient to other hospitals. For this process, the hospitals can make a downshift request. Upon confirming the request details in the war room, the stabilized patients will be transferred from the intensive care facility to a normal bed in a lesser equipped healthcare facility. After being disease free, the patient will receive a discharge summary which includes all the medical data since the day he or she was tested positive. Since May 2020, over 55 weeks, a total of 239,191 patients and 82,320 shiftings have been managed at Ernakulam district. Out of a total of 82,320 ambulance shifts, 42,219 were upshifts and 40,101 were downshifts. In this attempt to fight the pandemic, the technology used in the war room has enabled every health center and hospital in the district to work together as links in a network. The data regarding the COVID patients, their symptoms, and availability of ICU, ventilator, and oxygen beds in various hospitals are all available in the district war room in real time on a daily basis. The district authority and the health team of Ernakulam district, which holds a population of 32 lakh people, have been working in coordination and moving forward to ensure a balanced system that provides patients with immediate access to ICU and oxygen beds.